Welcome back to day 2 of the Bacon Bandit adventures. Let's go! The Bacon Bandit, boys!
Yeah, I caught it!
So today we've got to finish off the last bit of Caribou Bay, and then we're going to be paddling into the wind across Smooth Rock Lake, sneak into the islands, get out of the wind, that'll be nice, and then up into the outlet bay, feed into the Berg River for burgers tonight on the Berg River. That's day 2.
So right now we're just on the mouth of Smooth Rock. Paddled the whole 6K and some good headwinds already. Now we're waiting for Tom and Ross to catch up. So we figured we'd take a Gatorade break.
Strap will be better. Hey man.
What happened?
Well, we were like 5 minutes after the breakfast camp this morning, and yeah, sheared one of the screws in half off the seat. Which, and this one's starting to get a bit wiggly as well, which makes it kind of hard to paddle.
Oh, this one's just... Oh, this one's perfect.
Ross broke his canoe seat, and we're making the best of it. Pulled up on a rock in the middle of a lake to fish.
So we got the seat all fixed up. If you'd like to come closer and check out the actual repair job here. We've got 2 components to it. We've got our main component, which is a pot and a pot lid with my 2 flip flops or thongs, if you like, followed by the reinforcing strap that's just holding things all together. We don't want to put too much stress on this sidebar crossbar here, so most of the weight of my fat ass will be on this. It feels pretty good.
Nice work.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, so this is pretty much the only fruit intake we'll have of the whole trip. Pretty good, a little fresh. So we're on Smooth Rock Lake right now, on Blueberry and Mushroom Point, and we gotta get out in the outlet bay, and we were planning on sleeping on one of these islands here, but I figured we'll be there by about 4 o'clock, and that's just not acceptable to stop things, so we're gonna have to give it a full send and try to get all the way through the Berg River so we can have some Berg burgers later.
Might have to go down the middle, see where it's flat, and then cut right. Yeah. Straight, and then curve then curve right, and then curve left. Paddle right. Yeah. Right down the middle. How's it working?
Not very good. It's not effective at all. Thought I'd give it a shot.
They're too bad.
Not too bad. And it's the first time I ever wear this.
So during our day 2 adventures here in Wabikimi, we were paddling through smooth rock and we were coming into the Bird River, and the rest of the guys were way behind us, me and Riley, and
Black Mamba?
Black Mamba
Canoe?
Yeah. Black Mamba Canoe. We're the fastest canoe in the north right now. So we're coming around this corner, and just out of the blue, we look over,
I had to look over to the right for some reason.
and boom, there's this big, massive caribou, about 3-foot rack on this thing, just huge. And Riley all of a sudden turns around, looks at me, what? Huge caribou. I look over, huge caribou. I scramble to get my phone. Riley's waving at the other guys, trying to get their attention. Can't find the other guys. I don't know what the hell they were doing.
No, they're a couple kilometers behind us or something.
Yeah, they're so slow, these guys.
We were just sending it.
Yeah. And so I tried to get some pictures. By the time I got my phone out,
Even by the time they caught up,
yeah,
I think
I was just getting the ass end of this damn freaking caribou, but it was just majestic. This thing was just huge.
Yeah.
It looked as big as a moose, and the rack was like 3 feet tall, and it was unreal. I've never seen a wild caribou.
never seen a caribou.
It was just the
know what?
coolest experience
For
ever.
out of the last couple of years we've been coming here, this was like the first real wild animal that we've never seen before.
How's the bugs? I see like 4 mosquitoes on your arm right now, Tom.
I know. Oh, the golden eagle. Yeah.
And stay tuned for day 3 of the Bacon Bandit adventures.
I'm gonna lay on this rock.